What's up? What's up? What's up? Burners and earners. This is Weldislife. Welcome back for another one. Every Friday I'm making posts. Every Friday. I don't even know what this one is. I think it's vlog 7. This right here is a cover. A 316 stainless steel cover. Now, this right here is a little bit of wear and tear, a little bit of a little bit of wear and tear, you know. So as the best, I gotta make this shit work. I gotta make it work. So I gotta fix all that wash. That's what you call metal wash. That's the impeller right there, stainless steel 316. You know, I don't know why it's like that, but it's like that, and I got to fix it. You already know that. So anyway, I gotta fix the vanes. You know, it's a lot of work, you know, to get this impeller back the way that it's supposed to be. So this case right here is out, running a little loose, running loose, about 4 thou. So what I gotta do is I gotta weld it up a little bit, you know, put 2 passes of 316, and I'm gonna use the TIG weld method because TIG welding is the best. As you can see, I already started with the impeller. I welded it up, you know, got all the, you know, the wash out. You know, first thing you got to do is you got to grind that thing out, and then you got to put the 316, you know, TIG weld method inside, and just let it do what it do. As you can see, I'm using 332 316L. You know, shout out to ProStar, sponsored by ProStar. So this right here is a spec form. This is just lets you know more in detail about the pump. This is an overhung pump, you know, and basically that's the impeller that I just showed you guys. That right there, and it was fucked up, horrible. So I went over it, you know, did what I had to do, made sure everything was nice, groovy, you know, and then I just hit it, man. Numbers, you know, that the mechanics got from the hungover pump, the overhung pump, I'm sorry. And these are all the numbers, and as you can see, you know, the cover that I showed you is running about 3 thou out. We have a 2 thou tolerance where I'm at, but 3 thou is a no-go. So I gotta go ahead and overlay this little register fit real quick so I can make sure the machinist get it and he can take it down to where it's supposed to be, so the refinery can be happy. Because we all know the refinery has rules. Rules, ladies and gentlemen, rules. And we got to abide by the rules. So anyway, check this out for a second. I'm gonna play some dope ass beats for you, and then, you know, Weldislife, baby.
are one pathetic loser.
Thank you. You're too much. But thanks anyway. I appreciate the applauses and the cheers. This thing is complete. Do you see that? I damn near made that thing brand new. You see that? Now this right here, I had to stick my hand through the other side, through the nozzle with the TIG torch, and then stick the TIG rod through the actual middle of the opening where the cover goes. But you know what? I can do anything. I can do any. Anyway, that's another story. But it was no match. It wasn't a match for me. I mean, like I said, man, you got to think you the best. What I tell you? What did I tell you when I tell you I'm the greatest? When I tell you that there's nothing that I can't do? Look at that. Look at that volute. Weld is life. I'm gonna just let this play out, man. I'm out.